Okay guys, so welcome back again to Plenty Money Online YouTube channel, and I found this product again on TikTok, and I just thought I could share this product with you guys. The name of this product is the dish gun. Now guys, let's play this ad and see for ourselves. Okay, so I just want to pause this ad and quickly go to the page on TikTok, the profile where this product is being displayed, and I just came to realize that what these guys are doing is organic TikTok drop shipping. Okay, so they literally pasted their website link here on their TikTok page, and as you can see, this TikTok profile is exclusively dedicated to this product. If you look at this page, I'm sure they must have made quite some sales on this product since they started this organic TikTok promotion. Now we're looking at the history of the ad. Let's look at the first ad, and the first ad is on the 5th of September. So they literally started this ad on the 5th of September, and if they had run this ad through till this is this is October 28. Today is October 28, and if they had been able to successfully run this ad and consistently posted these videos till date, it definitely means they are selling this product, right? It definitely means that this product is converting. It definitely means that customers are buying this product. And this video that I just watched is around 5.1 million views, as you can see, and then it has quite a lot of impressive comment. Where do you buy? Prototype, literally dropshipping booty. My dishwasher said we don't need it. Okay, so you're gonna find a lot of impressive comment, and I am very sure that these guys are selling this product for them to have continuously promoted it organically till date. Mind you, no one wants to promote anything for a long time. If you're doing organic TikTok and you list the product for at least 5 to 7 days and you're not making sales, then why would you continue doing that? And for these guys to have successfully listed this product from September 5th all through to today, which is the 28th of October, this is literally approximately 2 months. Yes, it definitely means this product is selling. And then we're gonna have to click on the link now to go to the website and see for ourselves what the website is all about and what the website is like. It's taking quite a long time to load. What a bombshell! Who does that? Who create a website like this? It's taken literally a long time to load, and even after it loaded, it still didn't really showcase the things. I just tried to refresh it again and see if it's gonna load clearly. Unfortunately, that didn't happen. But then we can find all the information we need on the home page, and it seems to me that this product, it's worth testing out. Okay, so you can't just look at the product and judge for yourself that it will not sell if you do not test it out, because what is good for you may not be good for another person, and that is why you can't just judge by your own emotional feelings about the product. Some other people will like this product. I especially love their website, the way the things are clearly written and mapped out. Also clean website, has 21 reviews. They have integrated this review probably from the supplier website, which is awesome. I love the way the reviews are clearly displayed on this website. Okay, so let's look at the website from the top to bottom and probably review it together. Okay, so starting with the name of the website, I can't seem to be seeing the name of the website here, but I believe it should be dishgun.com or something. I will just leave the name of this website in the description below, so you can check this website for yourself and probably see other stuffs that they are selling on this website that you may want to sell as well, or you may want to test. Okay, so reviewing the website, analyzing the website from the beginning, from the top to bottom, I think everything seems. I love the layout of this website, by the way. I love the coloring of the website. The color layout is great, and the logo is wonderful. Dish gun with some bubbles on it. Nice logo. The name of the product also very, very fantastic. Dish gun TM branded, and it's also just like a one sentence name, one word name, not even a sentence, one word name, which is so clear and very, very straightforward. And right here you can, oh wow, there's a bundle on this website, which means you can buy 2-pack, you can buy 4-pack, and I'm very sure that the prices are also changing. Okay, if you're buying 6-pack, it's 150. If you're buying 4-pack, it's 112, and if you're buying 2-pack, it's 94. Quite a good bundle. But then I do not like this bundle application, because it's not clearly showing the customers the price differences and giving them the reasons as to why they should buy the 2-pack or the 4-pack or the 6-pack. You get it? So the application design is not very, very great for me. I really do not like it. But apart from that, every other thing looks good. And then we have a kind of hurry now, only 15 left. What do they call this again? There is a name we call this, but I just literally forgot the name. I used 2 or 3 of similar applications on my dropshipping stores. It's kind of, okay, it's called a FOMO. Yeah, it's called a FOMO application, right? So it kind of instills fear to the potential buyers and makes them to act fast in a situation where they are probably in love with the product, or they see the product as something they want to buy, right? So it kind of instills fear and makes them to want to buy fast before the product runs out of stock. So it's a very nice initiative, and I love that. Buy with shop. Okay, what's in the box? All right, this is awesome as well, to have been able to let the potential customers know what is in the box, what to expect when they eventually buy the product. Nice. And these are some customer reviews, even though it's not very bold, but this is great. Look at how others are loving their dish gun. And yeah, I think I love this customer reviews, right? Yeah. Buy it now. They have a call to action button there. And then these are GIF images of the use cases of this product, which makes it even more interesting, right? So GIF images are good, especially when you have up to 2 or 3 numbers of them on your product detail page. It kind of helps increase the conversion rate of that product. So say goodbye to scrubbing with the dish gun TM. Very, very short and straightforward. I love this, clearly highlighting the uses of this product in just few words and few paragraphs, very short paragraphs, keeping it short, straightforward, and very concise. And then we have the pictures as well, then efficiency and time saving. Then again, we have a call to action: buy it now. So you don't have to go up to buy at any time when you take your decision. Nice. What a bombshell, guys. That is what I'm talking about. Exactly what I'm talking about, guys. I really love their ideology. I really love the way the things are clearly stated on this website. I love that it's clean, and yes, it's not also containing too much confusing text. It's just having all the basic and the most important information that you need before you can then decide to buy or not. Okay, is the dish gun safe to use in wet conditions, which are Most importantly, frequently asked questions also clearly defined here. And then going down to the footer, we have 21 reviews, 5-star are 20 and 1-star is 1, which then makes it look original. And the good stuff there is that I love the review application that they have integrated on this website, because it is so bold, like it's so clear that you can read everything without even having to stress your eyes to see the text. Everything is bold, clean, the pictures are there, straightforward. And then back to the footer, also again, like we said earlier, very clean and not complicated. Follow shop 2023 dish gone. Yes, as we saw in the last winning product I uploaded, the website was really a bit awful. And if you looked at the website of that the footer of that website, it had Shopify and some blah 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 on the footer. But this one is so clear, like it doesn't have all of those powered by Shopify, those immature and amateurish text there. So this one really looks so straightforward, and having the most important links there. That's it. There is no need to complicate it. Who has time to read? What a bombshell. No customer has time to read. Some of these customers don't have time. Like 70% of them don't have time to read all of those fluffs and filters you have on your website landing page. They only care about the most important information, and that's it. It's enough for them to take decision as to whether they want to buy that product or not. And most probably, if they need more information, they can most probably want to go to Google to get that, right? So try as much as possible on each occasion to keep your product detail page clean, straightforward, and what a bombshell, guys. Anyways, that's all for this short review of this product. You may want to test this product on your website today. I am very sure that these guys are still promoting this on their TikTok page. Their last post was just 2 days ago, which means they are still selling this product. Customers are still buying this product. If not, why not try it? I don't see any reason why they should continue to organically promote it if it does not make them any sale. No one has that time. You move to the next product. So guys, conduct further research on this product and try to see if you want to test it out on your store, if it's going to sell for you or not. If it doesn't sell in one location, chances are that it's going to sell on another location. So you continue playing around with the different markets, especially the e-packet countries. Trust me, guys, those e-packet countries are the most profitable markets to try. Okay, other than that, that will be all for this very short tutorial. As usual, I would love that you subscribe to my channel, like this video, and ensure that your notification button is turned on so that you can get new updates anytime I make a new posting. What a bombshell, guys. Bye. See you on the next one.